Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Alive for my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Yes.
Be a soldier. Come on by Sarge's surplus hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have
Ready? All right, Dan. Get it in.
all that salt and grime.
Can rust your bolts and freeze your...
Hey, look, there he is.
Gator, let's go! You're on!
Listen, you're going to do great today. And no matter what happens, I'm going to move on to the next rookie.
Seems like those dark skies are following you around.
Been
good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy.
Hey, drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go.
Man! Now I got...
Not my town, don't. Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Before.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government! They're
Ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy clap.
What? No way! How can you see a shooting star at this hour?
Maybe. Did you hear my friend Lanny call your name earlier today?
We love you, Miss Footer.
What's going on? You know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know one.
Speed? That Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is man, Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like a flame job.
What? Me? Got to be crazy.
I figured it out when I realized y'all.
Where did he go?
Excuse me, mister.
I hereby dub thee Sir Tomica.
Tomica, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Radial.
Toma, cédulas de nieve.
¡Mate! Entonces estos tres...
DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will.
Okay?
A little something to remember us by.
Order in the court. Seems like my mind has been...
Fellas is really loud.
Can you hear me? Over.
What?
Get out of the pit now.
Yeah, come on, let's get a picture. You know what? Get a ton of pictures, because Champ here has been a role model of mine.
Low and slow.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Life is a dream.
Mysterious newcomer, Jackson Storm. Why is he so darn fast?
It's no mystery if you study the data.